Hello students, good morning. So today we shall discuss regarding the need of marketing, need and importance of a marketing, or you may call it as the role of marketing or the significance of a marketing. It is all one and the same. So in the last lecture we have discussed the need and the importance of a marketing to the consumer. The need and importance of the marketing can be laid down to the society, to the firm, that is to the business firm, and even to the consumer. So in the earlier lecture we have discussed the need and importance of marketing to the consumer. The various points we have discussed, that is to promote the awareness, to provide the quality products, provide variety of products, and helps in selection, consumer satisfaction, and regular supply of goods. So these are the points of importance to the consumer that we have already discussed. And today we shall begin with the role of marketing, or the need and importance of a marketing to the business firm. So before we shall discuss this need and importance, once again I will repeat, that is the meaning of the marketing is concerned. In our definition of Philip Kotler, we have discussed the marketing in detail. So the marketing, it is a very wider concept. It not just includes only the buying and selling of goods, but marketing is beyond that. It includes the various, that is the activities. It is a process of that is identifying the need of the customers and to satisfy the customer by supplying these goods, by exchanging these goods to the final customer when it is needed, where it is needed, at what price it is needed. So it is to be supplied so that the consumer he should be satisfied with the product, and even the businessman, he should also earn the profit out of it, and even the product should be for the well-being of the society. So it is a very wider concept, so that we have already discussed. Then we have to begin with the need and importance of marketing to the business firm, So there are various points which are given in the books, so that we have to discuss. The first one is increases awareness of the product, then increases the sales, then creates the trust, then basis for making the decision, source of new ideas, and tackling of competition. So these are the points of importance to the business firm. So the points are given to you on page number 156 and 57. So that we have to discuss. So the first one is increases the awareness of the product. So whatever the businessman, he deals the various, that is the product, all such information regarding the existing product, information regarding the new arrival of the product, all such information is given to the final customer or to the prospective customers through such a effective advertising. The proper, that is the marketing strategy is adopted, and such information is passed from the business firm to the prospective customer and to the existing customer, and this creates the awareness regarding the products of the businessman. So it is the first point of importance, that it creates the awareness. Then second one, increases the sales. So the sales of the business firm, the business organization increases because of the marketing. So the marketing, it creates the awareness among the customer regarding the products, and due to such awareness, and even it also helps to convert the prospective customers into the real customers. If the prospective customers are converted into the real customers, then it increases the sales of the organization. No doubt the existing customers, they prefer such a goods, but even due to the effective marketing, the prospective customers are converted into the real customers, and the sales of the organization increases. Once the sales of the organization increases, automatically it increases the profit of the business firm, and such increase in the profit is again reinvested into the firm, and thereby the businessmen, they can expand their firm, they can grow the firm. The survival and the growth of the firm, it also depends upon the effectiveness of the advertising. So it is the another point of importance called as increases the sales. Then next one is the creates trust. Due to the effective, that is the marketing, it creates the trust or the brand image in the eyes of the customer. So if you see the various, that is the products, their brand image is created because of the effective advertisement. No doubt the products are also of a qualitative in nature, and even due to the effective advertisement, it creates the brand image of such product. And once the brand image is created, the customers, they always prefer such type of a product. If you can take the example, if you see, that is the mobiles are concerned, in case of a mobile, that is the Samsung has got its own, that is the brand image, or the Apple has got its own, that is the brand image. Or if you take the consumer products are concerned, the various consumer products are there. Take for example, that is the paste is concerned, toothpaste is concerned. Once you want to purchase, that is the toothpaste, you always prefer, that is the Colgate or the Vico Vajradanti or certain other, that is the products are there, of which that is the brand image is created. And creation of such, that is the brand image, is possible only because of the marketing. If the proper, that is the strategy is followed and effective advertisement is done, naturally it creates the brand image, and the customers, they prefer such a product which has a brand image. So it creates the trust or the faith or the confidence in the minds of the customer. Take for example, as you have seen, that is the, you can take, that is the chili powder is concerned. The customers, they won't prefer to purchase the product which is available in the market in a, which has no any brand image. You see, the certain chili powder is concerned with which is sold loosely without, that is the brand name. The customer, they hesitate to purchase such type of a product. But if you see, that is the Everest is there, or even that is the other, that is the brands are there, the One-Gay brand is also there. So such type of that is the brands, they create the trust or the faith in the minds of a customer, and such, that is the products are purchased, and it is all possible because of the marketing. So this is the another point called as the create, that is the trust. Then the next one is the basis for making decision. So the businessman, he has to take the decision of various business activities, even as regarding the decisions are concerned, even from its inception, or you can call it as the how the product should be, till that is the product is planned and designed, and such that is the product is to be made available to the final customer, the businessman. During this process, from its inception to making available these goods to the final customer, he has to take the number of decisions. That is how much that is the goods are to be produced, where it is to be sold, where the market is there for the product, or when the goods are to be brought into the market, what should be the cost of the product. So regarding the various, that is the matter, the businessman, he has to take the decision, and such kind of a decision can be taken only with the help of a marketing. So which type of products are to be produced, that depends upon the likes of the customers, the likes, the dislikes, the fashion, and the marketing, it gives the feedback regarding the same to the manufacturer, to the producer, so that the producer, they can design the product according to the needs of the customer. So in this way, the marketing, it acts as the base for the product. Which type of customers are there in the market to purchase such a product, how much that is the price is to be fixed, it also depends upon the, that is the types of customers. So the class of the customer, whether the product is for only that is the rich class, or for the poor class, or the middle class. So depending upon that, the price is to be fixed, and the various other aspects are to be taken into account, and this information is made available by the marketing. So it is the another point of importance, which is base for the decision making. Then next one is the source of a new idea. Source of a new idea. So the marketing, it gives the new idea, it acts as the source of providing the idea to the manufacturer, to the business firm, which type of a product is to be sold, or which type of a product is to be manufactured. So such kind of idea can be obtained, can be obtained only with the help of marketing strategies. If the proper marketing strategies are followed, then it gives the idea regarding the product which is to be produced. They give the feedback regarding the same. What are the changes are to be made in the existing product, that can be known with the help of marketing. Whatever the existing products are there, the customer, they give their own, that is the feedback. If any, that is the drawbacks are there, or there is any scope of improvement in the existing product, such suggestions are given by the customers, and these suggestions, it acts as the source for producing the product, or making any changes in the product can be possible. So such a new idea is available, or it is given to the business firm with the help of marketing strategies. Then next one is the tackling the competition. So as you know, that is the keen competition is there in the market. There are large number of competitors in the market. They try to capture, that is the more and more market for their products, and to survive in this market, all, that is the businessmen, they adapt their own, that is the strategy of marketing, and such a strategy, it helps the businessman to stand in the market, or to survive in the market, and to expand their business. So as regarding the various, that is the telephone companies are concerned, they wants to expand their market. There are number of companies like the Reliance is there, the Airtel is there, or Vodafone is there, or even that is the other companies are there which wants to survive in the market, and to survive and to expand their business they have to take the help of a effective marketing strategy. So tackling of the marketing strategy is very essential for the businessman. So these are all the points which states regarding the need and the importance of the marketing or the role of marketing in the business. So in the next lecture we shall discuss the need and the importance of a marketing to the society.